Health officials are now busy addressing concerns on expiring vaccines. Maricel Halili is in Mandaluyong City to tell us more. Mase, hi, good afternoon. Do we have an official count on exactly how many vaccine doses that are on hand that have expired?
Hi, Sean. Well, based on the data presented by Malacañang earlier, Secretary Andanar said that the indicative vaccine wastage set by the World Health Organization is about 10% of the total number of doses that was released or delivered. But here in the Philippines, we only have about 1.53% vaccine wastage. This is a smaller percentage as compared to the indicative wastage set by the World Health Organization. But still, even if this is only 1.53%, this is still equivalent to millions of doses, which could be prevented only if our kababayans will get their booster shots. Can you imagine, Sean? As of now, we already have about 73% of the total target population who already got their full dosage, meaning they already have 2 doses of vaccination against COVID. But we only have 12 million Filipinos who got their booster shots. So this is the reason why the government is still encouraging more Filipinos to get booster shot, even though we're already at alert level 1.
Right, we are at alert level 1, but of course we have been talking about the Omicron XE variant that has been detected in Thailand. Has the government initiated any new policy, or at least have a new policy in place to prevent the entry of this new subvariant of COVID-19?
So far, Sean, the Philippine government is still waiting for more details, more information about this new variant from the World Health Organization. One of the infectious disease experts, Dr. Edsel Salvania, said that for now, based on the initial reports, we can say that this new variant is not as deadly as it may seem. And but the symptoms is still the same as the previous variant. But like what I've said, we're still waiting for more details about this XE Omicron variant. And the government said that they will still implement the same health protocols, which is wearing a face mask, social distancing, which is obviously is difficult to implement now, considering that we're in campaign season.
All right, going back to vaccinations, the government, I think, mentioned that they are studying whether or not to include the booster dose as part of the primary set of vaccines that we got. How many Filipinos have been fully vaccinated against COVID-19? And will the policy on what fully vaccinated means, will this change anytime soon?
So far, Sean, we have about 66 million Filipinos who already got their full doses of vaccines, meaning they already have the first and second dose of COVID vaccine. But there's only about 12 million Filipinos who already got their booster shots. For now, like what the Department of Interior and local government officials said, they are still studying whether or not to change the definition of fully vaccinated, meaning instead of just having 2 full doses, maybe we can include the first booster shot in the definition of fully vaccinated. But the members of the Interagency Task Force is still discussing this possibility.
All right, Mas, I'm going to move over now to a completely different topic. What is the government planning to do about the alleged monitoring of Chinese vessels on the joint U.S.-Philippine military exercises, or the Balikatan exercises?
Well, as we all know, Sean, the Department of Foreign Affairs summoned the official from the Chinese embassy to file a diplomatic protest against this recent incident in Bajo de Masinloc, wherein there was a close maneuvering of Chinese vessel to the Philippine Coast Guard based on the statement of the Philippine Coast Guard. This is in connection with the incident in Bajo de Masinloc. But with regards to other incident, we're still waiting for the action of the Department of Foreign Affairs. But like what President Duterte mentioned yesterday during his speech, there is no quarrel between the Philippines and China, and they are still open for talks about the Spratly Island, even the rights of our fisher folks when it comes to that disputed territory.
All right, we'll wait for those updates too. Thank you so much for giving us all these updates so far. Maricel Halili reporting to us live from Mandaluyong City. Thank you, Mase.